First day rocking these dreads, and it feels nice, you know. Today, you guys gonna be watching a video where I finally get my locks put in. She's finally gonna do it.
Finally gonna do it. It's been a long time
It's
coming.
been a whole year.
It's all good. It's all good. But you know what? He's gonna get it done. I am in the need of a new husband.
Anyways, I want to transform myself, and I just want to go to 2019 different, feeling, you know, living my best life right now. That's what it is. I also want to elevate myself, transform myself. So you guys let me know what you guys think. I've always wanted to do this, but I never wanted to be permanent. I'm excited. She already did one already to see how it's gonna go.
It's going to be permanent.
And the backstory of my dreads, how I got them, I got it. You guys have to watch that trip or vacation to go to Jamaica. That video's gonna be up soon. My dreads are for my mom, and I'll be using her hair inside of my head. I'll be putting her hair attaching to my hair. Hope you guys like the video. I've always wanted to do this. I'm so excited.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I know you guys are gonna like enjoy this journey because it is me who wants a new husband, a new look, a Rasta man, yes. So this is what it's gonna be. Ladies, you want to change your man, you have to do it yourself.
Listen, she just came from Jamaica, so I don't know if she's trying to speak Patois. She just came back from Jamaica and she's trying to speak Patois now. She feels like she's real Jamaican now.
The Jamaican man.
She's only Jamaican when I'm inside of her, okay?
Anyways, stay tuned.
You know, it's a long process. You have to make sure that you have a long day. Hence why I was trying to get this done earlier, but Mr. Man was just, you know. If you are using somebody else's locks, which he is, he's using his mother's locks right now. Wherever they cut it off, that's where you want to start combing from the tip down. And yeah, if you think it's not believable that you can actually comb locks out after how much years, you can. You could get like maybe an inch to 2 inches, depending on how long the person's hair is, but this is about enough. I use this part to attach, so I'll be showing you guys how I attach this part to the hair with this needle. Alright guys, so what you're going to do, you're going to take the needle, you're going to take the piece of the lock that you're going to attach, you're going to cut it in half, put the hair in between, and then take the needle, and there's no specific way, but you're just going to continue to stick the hair and you're going to mat it all together until you get this rounded lock. You want it to basically be seamless from start to finish, and you want it to blend. So once you do that, you're basically finished.
We finally finished the final product, and it's like, I don't know, is it 12 o'clock, like 12 a.m.? I don't know.
Yes, after 12.
I'm exhausted. I am tired. This is one of the reasons why I did not want to do this for hubby, because I know this was going to take forever, but this is something that he really wanted. I'm going to give him a style, something simple, probably 2 braids going back.
I'm loving the new look. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. It's a style that's really big.
Yeah. Real Rasta. Alright, so for this man, we have to make sure the Rasta turn out nice. So we're gonna be taking off right along this line here. With a nice sharp line all the way down to the back. With a nice fade too. Yeah.
Alright guys, so here is the finished look. Looking like a sweeter man, I must say. I did a wonderful job, guys. What do you guys think? This was my first time trying, and honestly guys, I succeeded. I'm gonna tell myself I succeeded. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you guys in another video.